Hey, you know what? E-bikes are a blessing to anyone that has disabilities or maybe who are seniors because it allows them to get outdoors. And I tell you what, over the last couple of years, I've had the opportunity to interact with people, to help people with their buying decisions, and really just answer a lot of questions in the e-bike community. And I have heard their stories, people talking about how much they love e-bikes because they get on them. It allows them to get down to the park. It allows them to get out and go places that they normally can't go because of whatever limitations that they're having. So it's a huge blessing. But you know what? You can't take your e-bike in the stores. You can't take your e-bike through your house. And a lot of people have mobility issues that requires them to have some type of mobility device. And that's why I'm introducing this VOCIC D71 lightweight mobility scooter. Now guys, look at this thing. Look how tiny it is because this is a really small, compact scooter, and it's got some great features, and we're going to talk about those right now. Guys, now this thing looks crazy small, but one of the great features about it is you can actually extend it and make it 9 inches longer, and we'll do that in just a moment and show you how easy it is. But first, let's continue taking a look here. So this is VOCIC, and it is the D71 model, and I really appreciate them for sending this out to us so we could test it and review it. I can tell you Mrs. Adventure had a chance to test this for the last week, and she had a lot of good things to say about it. And yeah, so let's just jump in and talk about some of the specs. This is a 24-volt system with a 10 amp hour battery. That's going to get you about 12 miles. Now, I don't know about you, but it's going to take a long time to run 12 miles back and forth in my house, or even if I was at Walmart or something, you probably wouldn't go nearly that far, right? So this is going to get you a long distance, and it's great for the purpose that it was built for. Right up front here, you'll see that we do have these rubber style wheels. Gives us some traction, so get us through the hard surface and even through the grass. Right up here, these little fender type pieces right here are actually for your feet, because you'll notice there's no big platform down here like a lot of scooters have, and that's one of the reasons why this whole system here is only 50 pounds. It's lightweight, makes it a lot easier for you to pick it up, move it around, get it loaded into a car. Right over here, we do have the telescoping knob, so we can telescope this down and lay it flat, and I'll show you how that goes in a moment. You can adjust it right here, so you can raise these handlebars up taller if you're a taller person, or lower them slightly. Let's take a look at the controls right here, and I like these controls because you know what? These grips, I've seen these exact grips on some of the e-bikes that we've had, and those are really nice and rubbery and grippy, and I like that a lot. Controls are simple. You have an on and off switch right here that's operated by a key. You have your battery indicator, and right here you have the knob that controls your speed. You have turtle speed and you have rabbit speed. Your rabbit speed is going to give you about 3.7 miles per hour. Controls are real easy to reach. Right here, you got the pedal levers right here. And let's move on back here. So we've got the seat. Seat is nice and large, so it provides plenty of comfort. You do have a backrest right here. The backrest folds. Get to that in a moment. Moving on down here, we do have our 10 amp hour battery, which is located right there. All right, guys, one of the great features about this is just how easy it is to fold up. This seat bottom right here is attached with Velcro, so you just raise it off and get that out of the way. Now you have this lever right here. You reach underneath, pull that lever, and the whole thing slides down. This comes across just like that. Then when you loosen up the knob over here, it allows this to fold down, and there you go. You got a really small, compact, lightweight mobility scooter that's going to be a lot easier for you to stick it in your car. Hey guys, it's just that easy to get this thing loaded up in your back of your truck or even the trunk of your car if you had to. Now, one of the great things about this is it has electromagnetic brakes, okay? So it's always got some braking power onto the wheels, so it's not going to roll down a hill too easily. But you can still push it if you needed to be able to roll it in and out, for instance, in and out of the truck. Right back here underneath the scooter on the back right corner, this is where your lever is that engages the motor or sticks it into neutral. The motor has to be engaged in order for you to use it under power. But if you just need to push it and move it around, then you would reach down here and stick it into neutral and allows you to push it. All right, when it comes to charging a battery, you have two options. Right down here, you have the battery port, But for some folks, you might find that that's a little low to be able to reach down and try to get it all plugged in and stuff when it's ready to charge this. Another option is to simply take the battery out because it just pulls out. It's nice and light. And on the back of the battery, you have a charging port also. So you can leave this sitting on your table or a counter or something. And you might find that it's a little easier to do that. Then when it's charged, you just put the battery back in. Then when it's charged, you put the battery back in. Stop it. Now look, in its current configuration, it is a little bit small, okay? Now some people, this might be perfect for you, but if you're a larger person, like myself, you're gonna wanna extend it. And that's another great feature about this scooter. You can adjust the length so it accommodates you a little bit better. To do that, right down here, you have a knob. You simply pull up on that knob, and look at that. Just that easy. You've got 3 different positions. That's the fully open. You can go right there in the middle, or you can go all the way to the front, just like that. Now guys, if you happen to be a larger person, kind of like me, I'm 6'1", 245 pounds, okay? Rest assured that this thing right here can hold up to 330 pounds of you, if you happen to be that big. All right, here we go. So now, look at this thing. You can zip around, cut the corners real sharp. Look at this. Now, 3.7 miles per hour might not seem like it's real fast, but for someone who's walking beside you, they won't be able to keep up. So it's plenty fast enough to zip around inside your home or zip around the store if you're going to the store to do some shopping. Hey, let's talk about that for a minute, because there's one thing this little guy is missing. If you go shopping, there's no basket anywhere for you to carry anything. So you're going to have to maybe, I don't know, put your shopping bag in your teeth and carry it if you need to ride home or something. Here we go. Yeah. Zipping around. Ah. Ah. Hey, look, I don't recommend anyone playing in the street, but we're going to go play in the street if I don't fall off. So you can get out here and you can see that we can turn some pretty sharp corners here, right? And it's nice and stable. So you can turn really sharp. It's going to allow you to really get inside your home and cut corners and around your home. And guys, you know what's great? I'm wider than the scooter is. The scooter is only 18 inches wide. So you can really get this into some narrow places around your home. The biggest thing you have to worry about is you not making it through the entranceway, through the doorway, or around the corner. You're more likely to hit the wall or something before the scooter will, because it's only 18 inches. Yeah, I like that feature a whole lot. Here we go. I'll be back later. I'm going to go to the store. Okay, I'm coming back again. I feel so stupid. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the VOCIC D71, put them down below. I'll try to get those answered for you. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here, because we have typically all kinds of content for people, even scooters occasionally. You guys ride responsibly, ride safe. Hey guys, so let's take this thing for a spin and we'll see how it works. That was an accident. That wasn't trying to do something here. There, I was going the wrong way. I almost ended up in the bushes. Let's do that over again. All right, guys, rest assured, if you happen to be a larger person, this scooter right here can handle 330 pounds. And of course, you'd probably want it in its upright locked position. No. Extended. Thank you. That's it. Hey guys, rest assured, if you happen to be a larger person, you can still ride this right here. Rest assured, if you're a larger person, you can still ride this because it can handle up to 330 pounds. And if you're a bigger person, you probably want it in its extended configuration, position. Extended configuration. Extended. You'll want to extend it. Setup? Last time. Ready? Hey guys, rest assured, if you happen to be a large person, this can carry 330 pounds. And if you happen to be a larger person, kind of like me, 6'1", 245 pounds, you may want to have it in its extended position. Yeah, whatever you call that. You want it opened up all the way. We're rolling with it. We're rolling with it. It's okay to record some of this stuff, us having fun, because we can cut that in too. Ready? Woo! Look out, Emma!
You're right over my toe.
Ouch! Workers' comp. Oh, oh.